Okay, let's see, what have we got here? The ceiling again. I was trying to record a couple of YouTube videos in a row, but just didn't work. I think there's something about inspiration. You sort of have to wait for a while until you feel inspired again. Some time has to pass before it's time to pass gas. No, just kidding. Trying to be funny, just being absurd. So let's talk about technology. I was just coding a bit, if you can call HTML and markup languages coding. But perhaps you can. Why not? Why not? I changed the my website, crowdfundinghangouts.com, has been pointing directly to in the crowdfunding campaign that I created on Indiegogo a couple of weeks back. That campaign isn't working, and maybe I should have put it on Kickstarter instead. But Kickstarter isn't open to international users, so that wasn't really an option. Anyway, of course, I'm considering building my own crowdfunding platform, but a more simplified version. But I shouldn't talk too much about these plans. Perhaps someone else could copy the ideas. And I shouldn't say that either, because that will make it even more likely that someone will copy the ideas. And so on and so on. These days I feel when I talk that I'm walking a minefield. There are so many things I cannot talk about for business reasons. And I shouldn't say that either. And I shouldn't say this. You see what I mean? Or is this just completely meaningless mumbling to you guys? Like, I don't know, it makes sense in my ears, but in your ears it might just be utter nonsense, like listening to some old wino on the street. I mean, I'm sure the winos on the street find whatever they talk about very coherent, but it's just that nobody else does. Anyways, your guess is as good as mine, or my guess is as good as yours. I can only create these YouTube videos and then see if there is any reaction. So far there hasn't been much of a reaction. Oh yeah, yeah, well maybe. I have this hypothesis that creating YouTube updates rather than writing updates is actually like 10 times more effective from a marketing perspective than did I say? I mean, I was comparing it with writing content on a social media platform. I just have an idea that video is a great marketing tool, and it's fun too. It's fun to get away from the computer and to use another part of the brain. I talk a lot with other people online, but it's good in a sense being able to say anything without having to listen for a change. Just outputting information without any input, or congregating information that has already been acquired, or something like that. What was I talking about? Yeah. I created a video and I put it in a classifieds ad. And it seemed like, it did seem like that ad had a lot more response than it would. I checked the stats, and it looked to me like it had like 5 times more visitors than I normally have when I post classified ads on that webpage. So yeah, maybe it is working in a sense, but it's not like I have a million viewers of my channel. But who knows, if I keep on doing this for 40 years, then maybe one day. It's strange with YouTube, you know, all these guys who are like normal people pretty much. Well, No, just kidding. Normal people, and all of a sudden they have like 1 million subscribers, and they are celebrities in their own right. It's an interesting phenomenon indeed, and I would, and I guess I'm trying to see if YouTube marketing can work for me. Sometimes I regret all the things I say in these YouTube videos, and I can't really go back and edit. That wouldn't be efficient, and I don't know. I guess I can always remove the whole video. That's the advantage of YouTube. I mean, textual updates can so easily be copied and reshared, but with videos, I mean, even if you reshare a YouTube video, once you delete the YouTube video itself from the YouTube platform, oh, I used the word YouTube so many times in that sentence, then everything will be deleted, unless someone downloads the video and uploads it to another platform or to the YouTube platform. Oh, sorry, I'm being so boring now. So anyways, I've been making more YouTube videos lately, and I do think I have something to say, which is at least reasonably interesting. It's fascinating. I'm even fascinating myself. I have so much to say, you know, after all these years making research about web services and so on, that it seems like as soon as I start recording, I just start babbling. I'm amazed, but yeah, I feel like I do have things to say, and I do have valuable information. So I will do my best to reshare what I've learned from all these hard years of studying the internet and emerging new e-commerce, world of e-commerce, and all the technology behind it. Yeah, I have this website, crowdfundinghangouts.com. If you want to, please have a look at it and see. If you're a developer, then maybe you have a couple of suggestions, or if you're a web designer, it's very simple right now, just a couple of links. It looks like Craigslist must have looked like when the Craigslist guy first started developing it. Just a couple of blue links, you know. But that has its charm too, doesn't it? I added the first piece of graphic today on an umbrella. I found a nice umbrella that I'm using for the website right now. Let's see now, how long have I been talking for? 8 minutes. Yes, not so bad. Let's see. I'm sorry, I heard a noise and I thought someone was about to knock on my door. I guess it was wishful thinking from my side. Now, is there anything else? Nope, I feel like I will wrap it up right now, and I will report back to you soon with more information from the world of interwebs.